I came from Karachi, which is one of the biggest city of Pakistan. This started in 2018 in the summer when I came in here to do my PhD in the microrobotics lab.
Researchers from Massey, they approached me and they said, we need a smart robot that can go into God. And I said, I never done that before, but let's try.
Abu gave me this idea of working on this robotic capsule. We started to look at it. Can we have some small scale robot that can go into the gut and collect some of the samples? And looking at these microorganisms would be interesting. The robotic capsule would be swallowed. I needed to study a lot of science behind the gut, how the human body is obviously structured and how the organs work, and then bringing in robotics perspective into it. So that was a really interesting story for me to begin my PhD in. The human gut contains a huge population of these microorganisms, or we generally call them as bacteria. And these microorganisms population are different throughout the length of the gut. So the length itself is around 7 to 9 meters long. So it's huge. So if we can have a tool which can collect some of the microorganisms from specific locations, we can study them better. And that's what leads to better health diagnosis.
There's a relationship between gut microbiota, the bacteria we have here, and the mood, depression, anxiety. So if we can do any tiny bit of contribution in that area, the entire world is suffering from those problems.
This is the sampling mechanism.
4 years ago, we know almost nothing about this, and now we are one of the leading groups in the world. So it's thanks to Rehan.
I choose New Zealand because the society in New Zealand is more inclusive. And my family, we have been very welcomed by the community. And it really helps you to focus on your research, your ambitions. I'm looking forward to developing more robotic tools so they will help the humanity in greater run.